Hello guys, welcome back to Smart GKQ YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Independence Day questions for all competitive exams. Who will raise the flag during national level Independence Day function in 2022 at Red Fort? Answer: Narendra Modi. East India Company started trade with India from which city? Answer: Surat. When did India came under the direct rule of the British Crown? Answer: 1858. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred? Answer: 13th of April 1919. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for do or die? Answer: Quit India movement. The Mokla rebellion occurred at which place of India? Answer: Kerala. What was the name of the mission sent by British government to India to seek cooperation during World War II? Answer: Cripps Mission. In the Indian freedom struggle, the Pakar brothers are known for which event? Answer: the revolt of 1857. What was the name of the first fort built by East India Company and is located in which city? Answer: Fort St. George, Chennai. What was the name of the magazine published by M.K. Gandhi? Answer: Young India. Which revolutionary died due to hunger strike at Lahore jail? Answer: Yatindra Das Nath. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Answer: Allen Octavian Hume. The patriotic poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by? Answer: Bismil Azimbadi. The rebellion of 1857 started from which city? Answer: Meerut. If you are liking my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Who was the first ambassador of East India Company in Mughal Emperor Jahangir's court? Answer: Thomas Roe. At the time of independence, how many provinces were there in British India? Answer: 17 provinces. Who was the mastermind behind the attempt to kill Viceroy Charles Hardinge? Answer: Rash Behari Bose. After independence, who was the first Governor General of India? Answer: Lord Mountbatten. Which was the first major battle fought by the British East India Company? Answer: Battle of Plassey. Who was the first Viceroy of British India? Answer: Lord Canning. Who was the founder president of Gadhar Party? Answer: Sohan Singh Makhana. Which Indian freedom fighter killed a British officer in Britain? Answer: Udham Singh. Who was the first Indian revolutionary to assassinate a British official in England? Answer: Madan Lal Dhingra. Who put forward the theory of drain of wealth? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. What does the colors of the national flag represent? Answer: sacrifice, peace and prosperity. Thanks guys for watching the video. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.